Good morning, beautiful people. Today is Sunday, April 22nd. Today, guys, we are going to be doing a physique update, a macros update, a weigh-in, and I think a workout. So, that's what I have in store for you today, and I'm super stoked about it. First, we're gonna weigh in. I'm gonna have a cup of coffee, then I gotta do my fasted cardio. Okay guys, so I weighed in at 100.4, which is exactly the same as yesterday's weigh-in, so I didn't lose any like overnight, but I'm down 1.2 pounds for the week, which is perfect. That means I've lost a total of like 6.2 pounds since I started. I'm 5 weeks in, so that's perfect. We think that I'm probably gonna come in somewhere in like the low to mid 90s. This time, she's really happy where my current physique is, so my macros did not change this week. So I'm super excited because I still feel really good. Like, I still feel like I have so much energy. My fats are still high. My carbs are like at a good level. I'm gonna go over my updated macros with you guys, but right now we're gonna do a physique update because we have not done one of those, I think, since I was 12 weeks out. So this is gonna be a 5-week difference for you guys. You can look back at my video of where I go over what my supplements are. I have my first physique update there, so we're going to do that now. And then I believe, guys, we are going to do a shoulder workout today. I'm just gonna try to stop being such a wuss about filming myself at the gym and just get over it. Like, plenty of people do it, not here. No one does it here, actually. But people do it all over the place, and you guys need to see what I'm doing, what I'm working out. So we're just gonna get over it. My girl Erin is gonna film some of my workouts, but it's kind of like last minute today, so I'm not gonna give her a call about today. Anyway, guys, I like get nervous when I do physique updates because it's like really easy. I have mentioned this before, but like, I'm just like projecting my insecurities right onto YouTube. But that's what this is about, right? This is about like sharing and being open and honest, and you guys are like my little fam now. So, like my little prep fam, because that's what you guys are here for, and like a lot of people I know in real life really care about my prep, so that's what I'm sharing with you guys. And I just, like, you know, in pictures it's like really easy to hide like some of your things that you're insecure about. Like, I'm really insecure about like the bottom of my tummy because I have like stretch marks and stuff from having a baby. And I don't know, I'm really insecure about it, and like everyone tells me that they can hardly notice. But like when it's your body, sometimes you just like pick it apart, and I'm like, I can be really down on myself about it. Sometimes I'm like, I don't even know if I should compete, you know, because that's gonna eventually hold me back at some point, because I have to like, you know, I feel like I have to keep that area like so tight, and I actually do like things to tighten that area like more, which I definitely believe have helped, and I'll go over that in like another video. I think I might make like a video about postpartum workouts for people who have like problematic issues like me. Like a lot of, you know, girls get that problem in the bottom of their stomach. And so anyway, we're gonna do my physique update. And if you guys make fun of my body, you're really mean. So don't point out the bad stuff, just comment on the good stuff, okay? Because being nice is cool. Alright, so that is my current physique. I'm pretty happy with where I'm at. I feel like my muscles are still really full, but I've leaned out a lot. A lot of my sweeps are coming in, and like the cuts in certain muscles are visible now. So I'm like really happy with where my body is. And I'm even more happy because I feel super good. Now, it's one thing to like be having some serious progress on prep in terms of weight loss, but a lot of times that comes with like feeling really tired and sluggish, just like you would with any dieting, even though prep dieting is obviously more extreme because you have to get to a really low body fat percentage by a certain date, so there's a lot more pressure than if you're just like trying to lose weight to like tone up for summer. But I feel amazing, so I'm stoked about life. Anyway guys, I'm gonna do my fasted cardio now. I'm just gonna go on my elliptical for 15 minutes, which I've never showed you guys that. I'm gonna take you in here. So, like no lights on anywhere. There's like no sun that comes in this side of the house, which is like really annoying and depressing. But other than doing my fasted cardio in here, I'm like never in this room. Okay, so I just like have this elliptical set up in my living room. There's like a tripod there, which I don't know why, because I've never filmed myself in this room, like, well, not for like a really long time. I think I just moved it there because Jack was like playing with it. Anyway, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna have a cup of coffee. And look at the dining room behind me, guys. I never use my dining room. Literally never. Who wants to come over for dinner when I'm off prep? Because I put like a lot of work into like having this nice dining room, and I don't use it. So everybody's welcome to come over and celebrate my big win after the show. Just kidding, I hope I win though. Do you guys watch Jade Jocelyn on YouTube? Because she is the cutest little thing I've ever seen in my whole life. I just love watching her prep videos. And she is 7 weeks out as well, so that's kind of fun. Anyway, guys, I got 12 more minutes of steady state fasted. And then we're off to do some other shit. Okay guys, so fasted cardio is done. I feel just like gross and sweaty, but that's how you live your life when you're on prep. I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna have my breakfast, 1/3 cup oatmeal and 4 ounces of egg whites with some cinnamon and stevia. I could literally probably eat that for every single meal, like I'm not kidding. I've been eating this for over a year and like, I still love it. And I say it all the time, but I really do love it. Guys, I'm sorry that you can't get more inspiration from me when it comes to like meals, cause I'm eating the same stuff all the time, and I'm probably gonna do that for like a long time, cause that's just what works for me. I talked about that before. A lot of people think that like meal plans aren't sustainable, but they are for some people, they're not for other people. Just like if it fit your macros would just be like too much work for me because I have like a really hectic, like kind of crazy life. I just can't like do that and count that stuff out. But I think it's a really cool way of eating, I really do. I'm actually gonna link some people's Instagram accounts down below that I kind of like. If I wanted inspiration for if it fit your macros, like I'd follow them. There are really only like a couple people that I know of right now, just like girls that I have connected with on Instagram. So I'm gonna share with you guys. But anyway, I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna let this digest, and then we're probably gonna go to the gym. I don't know if I told you this. I know that I told you guys that it was my friend's birthday, but because of that, my parents were watching Jack. So after I go to the gym, I need to go pick up Jack from my parents' house. They watched him for me, so that way I could stay out with my friends, which is super nice, and he loves hanging out with them. Plus they have a beach house, and that's where they took him, so he like loves being outside, loves being near the water. They take him to the park, they take him like down the boardwalk, they do all kinds of awesome stuff with him. So it's really cool for him because then it kind of like breaks up his schedule of just hanging out with me all the time. So I think it's a good thing. Anyway, I'm gonna eat, guys, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, we are off to the gym. We're gonna get a shoulder day in. I gotta be careful with my camera. I have you guys like set up on the Gorilla Pod, just like chilling on my dash. And I went to go film already and lost ya, so we're back. Guys, I'm just gonna not be a wuss, and I'm just gonna film my workout. I know that eventually it'll just be like not a thing. I'm just gonna be bringing my camera and I'll just be filming for you guys and whatever. Anyway, making too big of a deal out of it. But does anyone else feel that way? Like, do you guys ever film yourselves and you feel like silly, or like people are gonna think like, oh, why is she filming herself? Like, she thinks she's so cool. And like, that's not it. It's just like, I wanna film my journey. I wanna show you guys what I do. I have a lot of people that like send me messages and like ask what my workouts are like and diets like, and it's so much easier just to like refer them over here and be like, listen, here's my YouTube channel. Here are all the answers to all your questions. Anyway, we're gonna go to Powerhouse. I just wanted to give a shout out to them because my friend Nick's, his family, like him and his family own Powerhouse, and they told me that it was okay to film there, and I'm really excited about that because some gyms are super weird about it, but they're obviously like supportive of their people and, you know, just like supportive of you growing your network and being into fitness, and I think that's really cool. Obviously I just have to be mindful of getting other people in my shots, but that will be, I don't think that'll be an issue on Sunday because normally no one's at the gym on Sunday. My luck, everyone will be there. But that's where we're on our way to now. And then we're gonna go pick up baby Jack. I cannot wait to see my little tiny baby. Guys, he's so cute. He's the cute. He's so cute. You've seen him. He's like extra cute, isn't he? Extra cute. Alright guys, so I am at Powerhouse Gym in Salisbury, Maryland. Sorry, it's like a little bit echoey in here, but it's just like a big open like kind of warehouse space that they use typically when they're like training clients. They also have a sweat class that they hold in here, and they were nice enough to let me just film my shoulder workout in here because there are a lot of people in the open gym. So I'm super pumped about that. Anyway, I'm gonna walk you guys through just like a simple shoulder routine, and then I'm just gonna finish up by hitting a little bit of abs.
Feeling so hollow, don't you know, and don't you know, I'm living in shadow, don't you know, and don't you know, I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. For love, yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know, I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Beautiful people, thank you so much for joining me today for my shoulder and ab workout. I hope that you enjoy it. Hopefully I got some decent shots. I was filming by myself, so I tried my best to get like some different angles so I can show you guys, you know, like really what the movement looks like. I think my form is pretty good, but sometimes I'm still working on things, so you can work with me along the way. Right now, guys, I'm gonna go do some HIIT. I do 25 minutes of HIIT after every lift, 6 days a week. I almost always do it on the arc trainer because that's my favorite. For some reason, I feel like I'm not doing a whole lot, but my heart rate gets up there very quickly. It's just the most enjoyable form of cardio for me, where I get the best workout. What I do is I set it at 15, 12, and then 10, and I do it in 1.5 minute intervals, and I just try to just kill it as much as I can. Anyway guys, thank you again so much for joining me, and after this workout, I'm gonna go get Jack. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here because I'm gonna go pick up Jack, and I just want to spend some quality time with him. So I don't always film when I'm with Jack, just because I like to give him my full attention, and he needs it because he's like into everything. And he needs the attention of his mama. But I realized that I told you guys I was gonna give you my new macro, so I'm gonna do that now. My totals are 146 protein, 121 carb, and 45.8 fat. And then every third day, like I get a third cup of brown rice, and the other days I have veggies, so like that's when the brown rice is included. So it'll go down by like 16 carb on the days that I am not doing my heavier leg days. So that's where that's at, and the total calories for that is almost 1,500 calories. So and that was starting last week, and Ashley decided to keep it the same because I lost 1.2 pounds this week doing that. And I'm already looking like pretty leanish, I would say. Like I'm 7 weeks out, so we don't want to lean out too quick, because we don't want to lose that muscle, girl, that I've been trying so hard to put on in this season. So yeah, alright guys, so I'm gonna head down to the beach and pick up my little man, and I'll see you guys again soon. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, and guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please. Love you, bye.